Welcome to Storytime Adventures. Today, we're going on a magical adventure with Flare, the little spark. Flare is about to discover that energy never disappears, it just changes. Are you ready? Let's begin. In the heart of a warm, crackling campfire, something was born, a tiny glowing spark named Flare. Flare stretched its flickering body, blinked its bright eyes, and wiggled with excitement. "Oh wow! I'm alive," it whispered. The flames around it danced joyfully, sending golden embers floating into the night sky. Flare watched in wonder. "Where will I go next?" it thought. And just like that, Flare's adventure began. As Flare floated up, it saw tiny glowing embers twirling and swirling like fireflies. "Who are they?" Flare wondered. The little sparks giggled as they spun around. "We are sparks, just like you," they chimed. Flare laughed and spun in circles, joining their glowing dance. But soon the wind whispered, "It's time to move on." A gentle breeze lifted Flare higher and higher into the sky. Flare cheered as it twirled in the air, leaving behind a soft golden trail. Below, rolling green hills stretched far and wide, and the last bit of sunset painted the clouds pink and purple. "I feel so free," Flare laughed. But where would the wind take me next? The wind gently carried Flare down and down until, Flare landed softly on the wick of a tiny candle. The moment it touched the candle's flame, the flame flickered to life. "Hello there," the candle flame whispered warmly. Flare smiled. "Wow, I made it light." It watched the candle's glow fill the cozy room, but before long, the wind whispered again, calling Flare to another adventure. Before leaving, Flare took one last look at the cozy glow of the candle. The flickering flame cast gentle shadows on the walls, filling the room with warmth and comfort. "You feel safe here," Flare thought, but deep inside, Flare knew it had more to explore. With one last wave, Flare floated away, ready for its next adventure. Flare found itself tumbling into the roaring furnace of a mighty steam engine. "Whoa, it's hot in here," Flare exclaimed. But as the fire crackled, giant wheels began to turn. Choo-choo! The train puffed steam into the sky, chugging across green fields and winding tracks. "I'm making things move," Flare realized. It felt strong and powerful. But what other magic could fire do? Flare leaped into the air and zoomed through long, twisting wires inside the giant power plant. "Whoa, this is different," Flare gasped. The wires glowed with a soft blue light, and Flare felt itself change. It wasn't just fire anymore, it was electricity. Flare turned into a cracking bolt of lightning zipping through the wires. Below, a whole city lit up. Street lamps glowed, windows twinkled, and neon signs flickered into life. "I'm bringing light to the world," Flare cheered. Flare watched in amazement as golden and blue streams of energy pulsed through the wires. "This is incredible," Flare thought. The energy zipped through glowing cables, reaching every part of the city. Flare was no longer just a tiny spark, it was part of something much bigger. Flare floated higher and higher until it found itself in a stormy sky. "Oh, where am I?" Flare wondered. Suddenly, crack! A mighty bolt of lightning flashed across the sky, but instead of being scary, the lightning smiled. "Hello, little spark," it boomed. "I am fire too, but in the sky." Flare's eyes widened. "You're just like me, but bigger." The storm rumbled gently, and the raindrops shimmered as they fell. "Nature has its own fire," the lightning said, "and now it's time for you to find your next form." flare, now a tiny glowing ember drifted down from the sky, floating gently towards the earth. Where am I going? It wondered. Flare finally landed softly on the ground, and then something magical happened. Flare's glow faded, and in its place, a tiny green sprout began to grow. Oh, Flare whispered in amazement. I've turned into something new. The golden sunlight warmed the land and a rainbow stretched across the sky. Flare's journey had come to a full circle. As the tiny sprout reached towards the sky, Flare's journey was complete. Fire had become light, motion, electricity, and even life. Energy never disappears, whispered the wind. It only changes into something new. Birds flew high, the sun shined bright, and the world carried on, powered by the magic of transformation. And that is the story of Flare, the little spark that became so much more. Fire is powerful, and energy is all around us, changing, transforming, and making the world go around. That was today's lesson. Bye for now. See you next time.